My favorite part about flying is the travel. I love getting on an airplane and 15 hours later, I'm in Sydney, Australia. And then I get to go explore the food, I get to go explore the culture. I have my favorite matcha place in Japan that I go to. It's honestly unbelievable that I get to do this for a job. I get paid to travel. It's truly amazing.
We're going to get close to an airplane today. We're going to get close to a 737 MAX 9. And if anything in careers, what you think is your route might not actually be your route. And you're going to be presented with obstacles and challenges along the way. Whether you are in aerospace or in any other industries, there's always going to be challenges.
I started this job 25 years ago. I never would have known I was going to be here. I grew up on a small island in Fiji as a little poor girl, and I would always admire planes. We do everything from being medical personnel to being police officers to being firefighters, and I tell you, it's an amazing job, guys. Take an opportunity. You might not be a pilot, but you can start at the bottom and get up there. And like I said, if I knew more better, I would have done so much better. So please just get on this career. It is one of the most amazing, especially out of LAX. It's growing every day.
Take advantage of opportunities. What brings me out here today is that opportunity to share the concept of robotics with kids. What we have for them are the tools to work with for land vehicles, which uses the concept of robotics and applied to the land. They get a chance to understand the theory, understand the concepts, and then to play with the implementation to see how it works and to kind of envision what it's like to see robotics in the real world. Well, I see the subject matter of robotics as a tool that's used in the world to assist humans with various tasks. So there's a starting point, and this is one of them. This is an introduction to help take away the mystery as well as the fear of what it means to integrate and interface with robotics.
Aviation is a very unique career. Whether you're a flight attendant, you're a pilot, you're an engineer, you're a technician on the airplane, you have to love it. Especially for the pilots and flight attendants, if you don't love it, it's not worth it. You're away from home a lot, your schedule can be crazy. We work on holidays because that's when everybody wants to fly, right? So if you find you have a passion for it, if you go take a discovery flight and you're like, oh, this is it, this is what I have to do for the rest of my life, which is what I did, then this is the career for you. This is where you need to be, and eventually you're gonna get paid to travel the world.
And in my world, my challenge was that I completed everything, all my licenses, all my certifications, and my degree, and then the horrific events of 9/11 occurred. And aviation came to a grinding halt. Airlines started to reduce in size, people were afraid to fly, everything stopped. I actually got furloughed from where I was flight instructing, which is a very weird thing to think about, because here you are, you just finished school, and now you're thinking about how am I gonna get to where I wanna go, and how am I gonna pay for what I need to do. And what I wanted to talk about a little bit with you is perseverance, attitude, and keeping the main goal on the horizon. And so never give up, never stop, always keep pursuing what you want to do. I want to leave today informing you that no matter what you choose, no matter what your path is, you can't choose wrong as long as you're passionate about it.
Use your imaginations. I don't think we encourage people to use their imaginations enough, and see where you see yourself. Because there was a time when women didn't fly airplanes, right? And it was very difficult, and now they're highly welcomed on the jet. There was a time when it was difficult just to break through the airlines and many of these careers for a number of different reasons. But I want you to take this and think about where you're going. How many of you are going off to college next year? So if you considered an HBCU, for example, Alabama A&M just bought 2 flight schools, and they have full ride scholarships, including your flight. So it's not just getting your degree. By the time you graduate, you're ready to graduate to the major airlines.
I would tell parents just to believe in your kids. Tell them that you're proud of them, that you believe they can do it, that you can help them in any way to get there. I know, especially my dad was so behind everything I said I wanted to do. He was like, you can do anything you want to do. I would tell you to believe in yourself. Sometimes it's hard, especially being a minority, person of color, someone you don't see as much in these spaces. It can be difficult to break into it. but find your community and just keep going towards your dream. If you're passionate about it, you'll be able to do it.